Crawlspace encapsulation is the process of sealing your crawl space from outside air and moisture, and being able to control the environment within. This reduces any chances for mold growth, musty smells, sagging or sloping floors, or pest infestations under your home. Also, it improves the air quality in your home. A proper encapsulation addresses 4 things. Number 1, the water coming in from under the crawlspace wall. Number 2, the moisture coming in through the walls themselves. Number 3, the vapor coming from the dirt floor. Number 4, the humidity in the air of the crawlspace. So let's go through these. To address the water coming from under the crawlspace walls, it's important to install a complete drainage system. The purpose of the drainage system is to capture the water around the inside of the walls and channel it towards the sump pump. From there, the sump pump pushes the water out of the crawlspace. And finally, the water is discharged at least 10 or 15 feet away from the home with an exterior drainage system. That should take care of the problem. To address the moisture coming in through the walls, we install insulation on the walls and on the rim joists. This blocks outside air and moisture from coming in. It also blocks outside cold or heat from entering the crawl. This is important because drastic changes in temperature can produce condensations, just like a cold bottle of water can sweat when you leave it outside. With this, we make sure that there are no temperature changes in the crawlspace and no moisture coming in through the crawlspace walls. To address the vapor from the dirt floor, we install a high quality and thick vapor barrier that wraps around the columns, covers the floors, and connects to the wall insulation. Many times in crawl spaces, we see a thin vapor barrier that's not installed properly and it's just laying on the floor. In these cases, the liner won't be able to block the vapor properly. So it's important to have the right liner and installation process to block any vapor coming into the crawl space. Now, to address the humidity in the air, we install a commercial dehumidifier. Now, the key part of installing a commercial dehumidifier is making sure the air can circulate across the entire crawl space. Many times we see a dehumidifier that has dry soil around the unit, but wet soil everywhere else. Proper installation of a dehumidifier will make sure the entire crawl space stays dry.